That
when
was
people refer to a
fuel
flying aircraft,
gauges.
they're referring to not only the displays, but what often we're talking about is an advanced technology aircraft with sophisticated automation capabilities.
The electronic checklist is switch automatically. Once
C5 gets rolling.
engine instrument check, normal. V1. V1. Rotate.
Engine. The captain disengages the autopilot.
I have control. You have control.
They've lost one engine.
In the cabin, engine noise suddenly drops. The pilots need to get their plane back on the ground.
Heading mode.
The captain wants a heading back to the airport.
Moving the speed. Stall. Stall.
The stall warning means the plane is flying too slowly to maintain lift.
Stall. Stall.
The stall warning at low altitudes are a critical situation that no pilot ever wants to end up in.
Flight 235 is less than a mile from the runway. Passengers can now see.
Engine flame out.
Songchen controllers fear the worst. A crash in the middle of the city.
Engine flame out both sides. How is this possible?
Flight 235 is now only 500 feet above the streets of Taipei.
Oh no! Ah! Ready? Ready? Oh no!
All controllers can see is that Flight 235 has dropped off the radar. They have
Now we're
no
looking-
idea if anyone has survived.
We're looking for any sign of fuel in the water.
Begin emergency procedures.
Way in downtown Taipei. TransAsia Flight 235 is sinking in the Keelung River.
Where's the fuel?
等我感觉这个事故了。
Rescuers are on the way.
Right, there's real footage. There is no fuel anywhere.
First responders
You saw the fuel
climb into the
gauges.
fuselage and start pulling people from the wreckage.
That water is clear as a bell. There is no
The swift
fuel.
current
That's
of the
real
Keelung
footage
River
there.
means that shocked survivors won't be safe until rescuers can
Poor
get them to the
people.
riverbank. The city of Taipei, 8 people on Flight 235. Only
Thank God,
15 make it out alive. All 3
That's
pilots
terrible.
are dead.
Now you can see there is no fuel anywhere, and that should have coloured water with fuel.
Investigators
Fuel
from
should
Taiwan's
be
Aviation
everywhere.
Safety Council are anxious to start collecting
Why is there no
evidence of the
fuel?
scene.
Because as I said, even a prop-driven, by jet-driven prop, it's a jet, not a fuel-fed engine, and that is why there is no fuel in that water.
For now, they have to be patient.
100% proof. You can't argue with it.
But a
Cheers,
stunning piece
KJ.
of evidence has already
I
surfaced.
just have to say,
Take a look at this. Just came in.
condolences to all the families to where this happened to. It's terrible. Okay, cheers, KJ.